35 weeks. No other. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am talking about everything that I'm doing to prepare for labor and delivery of my second baby. I'm currently 35 weeks pregnant with baby number 2, and this is all stuff that I did to prepare for my first, which I will give a quick, brief backstory or little rundown of how my experience went the first time in a minute. But I did want to start off by saying none of this stuff is to induce labor. I'm not a doctor, and anything new that you're trying while pregnant, you should obviously talk to your doctor first. Just wanted to get that out there really quickly. This is all just things I'm doing to prepare for my can't talk to prep my body for labor and delivery, to help me out once I do go into labor, and just in general how I'm prepping. So quick little brief story on how my first experience went, and I did all of these things the same. And obviously I know every birth experience can be so different, but I had a good experience the first time, so I'm just repeating what I did and hoping for the best. So I'm gonna make this really quick because I actually have a full birth story on my channel. But I went into labor naturally at 38 weeks and 5 days. I was in labor total for about 17 hours from the first contraction I felt to the time he came out. I was at the hospital for about 8 hours before I gave birth. I pushed for 45 minutes and I did not tear, and I had a really joyful recovery and postpartum experience. So yes, I'm talking about things I'm doing that you've probably heard of, like raspberry leaf tea, eating dates. I have like 2 different ways I eat dates, so I'll share both of those. Ball exercises that I do, I walking, and then postpartum gear and nesting, which I have multiple nesting videos on my channel you can go watch to really see me nest. But I do feel like nesting is like the first thing you do to start prepping for baby, and also it's really like relaxing and joyful for me to do the nesting part. And I really feel like it's so important to do things that make you happy and make you relaxed and get you super excited to have baby, to like relax your body. I don't know if that makes sense, but all that good stuff. Okay, we're just gonna get into this video. I'm about to go make a smoothie where I add dates and some other stuff. So we're gonna go do that, and then yeah. Okay, we're in the kitchen. We're gonna make a smoothie. So the smoothie recipe itself is nothing special. Basically, make whatever kind of smoothie you like. I add whatever I have really, so I'm adding like strawberries and bananas. I'm also adding this mango strawberry blend with pineapple and mango and strawberries. I apologize if the lighting is a little weird. I have the worst lighting in my kitchen, but here's our base. We've just got fruit, so whatever fruit you like, and then I like to add a little bit of Greek yogurt just to make it creamier. And I like to add about 4 dates. You can do like 4 to 6 depending, but I just like to do like 4 of these guys. I add a little bit of milk just to help it blend. So this is what we're working with. And obviously, like I said, you can basically make whatever kind of smoothie you want, add whatever you want to it. Sometimes I like to add protein if I'm doing this like in the morning. But something I have been adding to mine every single time is this Armra colostrum. Armra colostrum is a dairy bioactive whole food produced by mammals in the first 48 to 72 hours after giving birth. It is the first nutrition we receive and contains vital nutrients our bodies need to thrive. Armra colostrum has so many benefits, from immunity to gut health, skin and hair, and energy, which is so nice as a mom. 3 to 4 servings is recommended daily, but because it is a bioactive whole food, you can take more if you want. This one is unflavored. They do have flavored options, but I've been using the unflavored. And if I'm not just having it like in water, I like to add it to my smoothie. I just do the serving size of like 4 scoops. I've been absolutely loving it. Like I said, there's so many great benefits, but the main thing for me is I have so much more energy from using Armor Colostrum. I'm a mom to a 1-year-old and I'm currently pregnant, so I will take all that energy if I can. There's the 1-year-old. That's another reason, like another way I'm kind of prepping myself is to just be in the best health possible. So yeah, I'm just gonna add 4 scoops of this to my smoothie and then we're gonna blend her on up. If Armor Colostrum is something that you are interested in trying, which you totally should check it out, we've worked out a special offer for my audience. You can get 15% off if you go to tryarmor.com/OliviaC or just punch in the code OliviaC for 15% off at checkout. Definitely check it out if you are looking to improve your overall health. And yeah, thank you so much, Armor, for sponsoring today's video. I'm so excited to be partnering with you on this. I've been obsessed. So now I'm gonna enjoy this giant smoothie and get all my nutrients in, get my dates in, because getting those dates in can be really hard, but this is the easiest way to do it because you don't taste it at all.
When red plays fully, oh yeah, I load for it tasks disgusting. Expect my lasagna.
Family game time? It's a blast. Stone of sponsored Disney Junior. Batteries not included.
Okay, it's the next day. The last things I filmed were making my raspberry leaf tea and the exercises I like to do on my medicine ball. I didn't really talk through those just because I feel like it was easier to just show you guys. For the tea, I do 6 bags of tea to 6 cups of boiling water, and then I just add like a cup of sugar to the whole pitcher to make it sweet, and I just pour it over ice, and that's how I drink it. I do about 1 to 2 cups a day currently, and then I'll up it to like 3-4 by the time I'm reaching my due date. And then for the ball exercises, those are pretty self-explanatory. It's just different movements to help open your pelvis, helps relieve pains in your hips, back, all that good stuff. So yeah, last thing I wanted to kind of talk about was basically the nesting part, the part that just like relaxes the mind. I feel like if you have everything ready, you'll be mentally ready to give birth rather than being like, oh my god, I have so much to do, and stress yourself out, because stress is the last thing you want when you are approaching your due date, because apparently going into labor and everything's all hormonal, so you want to just be in a good mindset for all of that and be happy and ready. So obviously I have a bunch of videos nesting on my channel, but things you can do that are fun for me. Organize baby clothes in tiny little diapers. There is like no other little serotonin boost than seeing a teeny tiny diaper. Building baby gear, the crib, building little what are these called? Bouncers. We've got the swing. Don't mind the mess. Cohen's been in here playing. I put this together. I showed this in a recent video. It's from Baby Delight. It is so cool. It like, you can see very well, but it like lowers and heightens to whatever height you want, which is really cool. Make a whole video separate to this, but pack your hospital bag. Just all that fun stuff. That is pretty much everything I'm doing to prepare my body and mind for going into labor and giving birth a second time around. Hi, sugar. How are you? Say hi. Lucky. Say hi. Can you give a kiss? Okay, quickly finishing this up. He's in there eating a snack really quick, but that's everything I'm doing to prep for the birth of my second baby. Almost 36 weeks. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it a little bit helpful. I'm gonna go now. Also, I swear I'm not only doing pregnancy content, but that's kind of my life right now. So, yeah, okay, I hope you enjoyed. Bye!